Hello everybody and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host Soul, and today we'll take a look inside of Attack on Titan Season 3 on Blu-ray. So, here's the cover. The spine. The back. Then you open it up and you get that artwork. Then with disc 1 you get episodes 38 through 45. Disc 2 you get 46 through 49. Disc 3 you get 50 through 57. And disc 4 you get 58 through 59. And then you get this artwork. And then first come, first serve, whoever wants it, digital download code for the season. So this has been Attack on Titan Season 3 on Blu-ray. Thank you and have a wonderful day.